In this video, I'll show you how to get Cash App to stop blocking payments and what you can do if your transactions keep getting declined or stuck. This usually happens because of account verification issues, limits on your account, or security flags, but the good news is that there are a few simple things you can check right away. First, open up the Cash App on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, make sure your account is fully verified. If you see an option that says Verify Identity, tap on it and complete the process by entering your personal details and uploading your ID. Cash App needs this information to confirm who you are, and unverified accounts are much more likely to have payments blocked. Once your identity is verified, the next thing you want to check is your account limits. Go back to your profile section and look for limits related to sending, receiving, and your Cash App balance. If your payments are being blocked, it could simply be because you've hit your daily, weekly, or monthly limit. Verified and active accounts usually have higher limits over time, so consistent usage can also help reduce these issues. If everything looks fine so far and payments are still getting blocked, the next step is to contact Cash App support directly from the app. Tap on Cash App support, choose the option related to payments, and send a message explaining that your payment is being blocked. This will connect you with a support specialist who can tell you exactly why the block is happening and what needs to be done to fix it. In many cases, they can remove restrictions once they review your account. Sometimes payment blocks are triggered by security checks, especially if you're using public Wi-Fi or switching networks often. To keep your financial apps more secure and reduce unnecessary flags, it can help to use a trusted VPN. If you want an easy option, you can try NordVPN using the link in the description and get a great price while staying protected online.